Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable transparency effects in Windows 11 settings. So guys, just you have to follow some easy steps. Firstly guys, you have to click on start. Now here type settings and open settings. Now here in this left side panel, select accessibility. Now the second option, visual effects. Underneath visual effects you will see scroll bar settings and transparency effects setting. Make some window backgrounds slightly transparent. So if you want to enable and turn on, so select this setting to on. That's it. So as we can see now, this setting is in on position, and you change your mind and you want to disable it, so select to disable. That's it. So this is the way guys you can enable transparency effects in Windows 11 settings. Thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.